4 difficult cleaning chores and how to tackle them. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. There are many home cleaning chores that you may fear the very thought of. However, the fact remains that unless you want your home to become a mess, you need to invest some time and effort in dealing with them. Despite that fact that cleaning is hard work and requires much time and effort, you have to understand that there are various ways to make it easier. No matter what the job involves, you need to learn how to take on it effectively. Following is a list of quite challenging home cleaning projects and a few tips on how to address them correctly. An old toothbrush. There is hardly any appliance that gets as dirty as the oven. If you often indulge in cooking delicious meals, you need to learn how to take on the mess inside the appliance. The most often cause for concern is burnt-on food debris, which can emit unpleasant smells and even smoke. First of all, in order to minimize the mess in the first place, you should place a baking sheet at the bottom of the oven to catch any spills. To clean the oven, you need nothing more than a baking soda and water mix. Coat the interior, let it sit overnight and wipe the next day. It is eco-friendly, fast and very effective. Fridge cleaning. The fridge isn't immune to spills and stains. Apart from that, it can harbor unpleasant smells. To properly clean the fridge, you must temporarily empty out all of the food. Give the interior a proper wipe and soak shelves in warm soapy water in order to deal with any spills. If you like our video so far, please press the like button to let us know, and please subscribe to our channel to be updated with our new FastKlean videos. Window cleaning. This can be a real hassle, especially when exterior window cleaning is concerned. Perhaps the best solution is to just hire professional window cleaners to address the task. They have the necessary equipment for this job. The other option is to buy a telescopic brush and deal with the chore on your own. This is a better alternative to letting grime and dust build up on the exterior of your windows. Vacuum cleaning. The main problem with this task is that it is frequent enough to become a bother. Your best bet is to prevent dust and dirt from getting into your home in the first place. You can do that by placing a doormat and following strict no shoes inside policy. Invest in a powerful vacuum cleaner so that the job isn't hard to complete. One more reason why vacuuming is so difficult is because oftentimes you will need to clean under furniture. There is no getting around that even areas of carpets and rugs under furniture accumulate dust over time. On the bright side, you can only do this once every 2 months or so. Whether difficult or time-consuming, dealing with these chores is one huge bother. Hopefully now you know how to address them in such a way that doesn't cost you as much effort. Watch our other cleaning videos below and find out the arsenal of choice for stain removal. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Check the description below to see our favorite products. Visit our website fastklean.co.uk for more ideas. Also, we would like to invite you to join our online seminars to learn more about keeping your home clean and tidy. Choose your date in the description below.